A typical workday often begins with multiple applications, scattered conversations, repeated workflows, and files stored in different locations. Important information may already be available, but finding it takes time. The problem is not always the volume of work. The problem is that the workplace is disconnected. When a detailed customer email arrives, while important meetings and deadlines can add, the conversation can instantly move into an audio or video call. AI can help summarize the key decisions. Zoho WorkDrive company files can be organized. Zia can help create an initial content. Zoho Workplace brings business communications, documents, files, spreadsheets, meetings, and team collaboration into one connected environment. So, instead of beginning the day across several disconnected platforms, employees can start from just one central workspace. When a detailed customer email arrives, employees may need to read it several times before identifying every requirement. With Zia in Zoho Mail, lengthy emails can be summarized into clear and useful points, helping employees understand what requires immediate attention. Zia can also assist with drafting responses, correcting grammar, improving the tone, and making messages clear and professional. The customer request can then become an actionable task, while important meetings and deadlines can add to the Zoho calendar. This ensures that important actions are not left sitting inside the inbox. When support from another employee is required, Zoho Cliq makes it easy to find the right person and begin a direct conversation. AI assistants can help rephrase the message, improve its tone, correct the language, or make it more concise before it is sent. When messaging is not enough, the conversation can instantly move into an audio or video call. Employees can share their screen, review an email, open a document, or discuss a requirement together without moving to another platform. After the discussion, AI can help summarize the key decisions, responsibilities, and next steps. Employees can concentrate on the conversation instead of manually recording every detail. The next challenge usually is finding the correct file. Business documents are often spread across personal folders, email attachments, and different storage platforms. With Zoho WorkDrive, company files can be organized inside shared team folders. Employees can search for the correct document, review the file owner, check when it was last modified, view previous versions, and understand who has the access. Zia can summarize long documents and answer questions based on their content. So instead of reading every page, employees can quickly identify important details such as payment terms, included services, or project conditions. Zia can summarize long documents and answer questions based on their content. So instead of reading every page, employees can quickly identify important details such as payment terms, included services, or project conditions. Comments, mentions, access controls, and version history help the team work on the correct file. There is no more confusion between a final document, an updated document, and another final revised document. Once the correct template is found, it can be opened directly in Zoho Writer. Zia can help create an initial content, rewrite sessions professionally, simplify complex paragraphs, expand important points, and convert information into structured bullet points. Grammar and writing suggestions help maintain the quality of the final document. Multiple employees can review and edit the same document in real time. Comments can be added, discussions can be resolved, and every change is automatically saved. There is no need to download the document, send it as an attachment, and wait for another revised version. When pricing or business data needs to be reviewed, Zoho Sheet keeps the information connected to the same workflow. Employees can update their user numbers, implementation cost, training requirements, and estimated savings. With Zia, spreadsheet data can be explored using simple business questions. Employees can ask for revised estimates, cost comparisons, formulas, summaries, and charts without manually analyzing every cell. Zia can also help identify missing values, duplicate records, and inconsistent information. Complex formulas can be explained in simple language, helping more employees work confidently with business data. The document and pricing can then be reviewed internally through Zoho meetings. Employees can share the writer document, present the sheet analysis, discuss important changes, and confirm the final outcome. After the meeting, the recording transcript and AI-generated keynotes can preserve the important decisions and follow-up actions. Once the document is approved, it can be exported, stored in WorkDrive, and securely shared with an external recipient. The final communication can be sent through Zoho Mail, with Zia helping prepare a professional message. The entire process, from receiving the initial request to sharing the completed document, remains connected. Zoho Meeting can also be used for customer discussions. Employees can present documents, share business data, answer questions, and explain the recommended solution through the one secure meeting platform. When the meeting ends, the context does not disappear. The recording, transcript, and AI-generated notes help capture the questions, decisions, requested changes, and next actions. Important updates can then be shared across the organization using Zoho Connect. Company announcements, team discussions, and business updates remain visible and searchable instead of becoming buried inside long email chains. Zia can help draft internal posts, summarize lengthy discussions, and find relevant information using natural language searches. And because businesses does not always happen from one desk, Zoho Workplace remains accessible across devices. Employees can read emails, respond to messages, open files, review calendars, and join meetings while working remotely or traveling. With Zoho Workplace, employees spend less time searching, switching between applications, repeating information, and correcting avoidable mistakes. Communication, files, documents, data, meetings, and teamwork remain connected throughout the workday. Zoho Workplace does not simply provide another collection of business applications. It connects the work that employees already perform. Zentegra help businesses configure Zoho Workplace around their actual processes. From business email setup and data migration to security configuration, employee onboarding, training, and ongoing support, Zentegra helps organizations to move into a connected workplace smoothly. Do not simply replace your applications. Transform the way your business works. Discover how Zoho Workplace can bring greater clarity, speed, and productivity to your organization. Book your Zoho Workplace consultation with Zentegra.